guys, this is
Jenica's vlog.
this is Indine Vlog for another day, another vlog. So ngayon pala guys, wala kaming gagawin kundi mag-update lang kami guys sa
Introduce lang kami, introduce.
And kaya nga pala guys, hanggang nagsisimula pa lang kami. This is my second vlog and this is first vlog.
Okay,
Vlog
so,
ako, second
i-follow.
vlog kasi.
Subscribe.
I-subscribe nyo ako guys. So, yung pangalan ko is Inday Vlog.
And
And
this
hanapin
is
nyo lang.
Rika Vlog.
Yes. Apo. And mag-update na lang kami kung meron kaming gagawin o like that lulutuin. Nag-jot. Ay, marites. So, mag-update na lang po kami kung meron kaming lulutuin like that. Baka ngayon may lulutuin kami like this, like that. Like that, like that. Charot. Ikaw ba ba? Sa tingin mo, may maluluto ba tayo ngayon?
Ano?
Pero for sure, wala yata eh. So guys, bye-bye. Thank for watching. And bye-bye mga kainday. And bye-bye mga ka.
Jenica.